I just put 2 magnets over here. The chain to hang the bag is also done. The entire chain is finished. All the pieces are here. Let's assemble. Come on. This is gonna be hard. Nicely done. After the sides are connected and glued in, now interior is ready. And I'm just gonna push it in. That's it. It definitely looks good on the green. Look at it, huh? And I can put my bone in it too. It's pretty nice and pretty cute. Whoop. Magnet opens up, magnet closes down. It's on my shoulder. This is how the straps are looking like. This is a 3D printed purse. We are going to make more cool stuff, so follow for more 3D printed fashion and backpacks. It is ready to be gifted to my friend.